Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Team app and creating a focus channel for the project. Name it clearly so everyone recognizes purpose. Invite the core members and set channel visibility so sensitive work stays private. Once done, pin one short agenda and the most recent files to the top so new members catch up fast. Make sure to set a simple posting rule, how to tag people, and when to use threads, so conversations stay organized from the first message onward. You now organize discussion flow. Start every topic in a thread to keep the main channel readable and continue replies inside that thread so context stays attached. Use quick emoji reactions to acknowledge messages instead of sending short responses, and post only when you add value. Once done, assign tasks with clear action items and deadlines and mention the responsible person. Make sure to summarize decisions in a final message, so there's a You finish by posting a concise summary of outcomes, listing assigned tasks with names and due dates so accountability is explicit. Close related threads and archive the channel once the work is complete, then move key decisions into a persistent project document. If someone misses messages, first use a direct follow-up in thread. If still unresponsive, send a polite direct mention or check read receipts to confirm delivery. A single troubleshooting tip. If notifications get missed, adjust alert settings and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.